Hey everyone, it's Mark here from cloudbyte.co.uk. I'm here with the WorldCard Mobile App. Basically, if you're a person that uses business cards, or you come across business cards and people are always giving them to you and you're putting them in a little folder or you're manually tapping them into your mobile phone or something, then you don't need to do that anymore. Get this app, you can take a photo of the business card. It then uses the OCR technology, that's optical character recognition technology built into the app. So it looks at every little letter and it works out exactly whether something is a name, is a phone number, is an address. It can just work it out. I don't know how. It's amazing. So get this app if you're somebody that uses business cards. If you don't use business cards, not the app for you. But if you do, and if you've got loads of these things, throw the business cards away. Once you've taken your photo of them, you'll never need them again. Okay, so this is that app here. Nice little home screen. Straight away, I always like looking at the settings. I don't know why, it's just something I always do. So you can see here, you can change the order of the names to what they appear for Western names and Eastern names. You can put all these cards in groups. You can put them in the cloud, on iCloud, on Dropbox. You can sync them with your Google account as well if you use Google Contacts. And you can save the images. You can even filter duplicates. So if you've got a business card and you're like, I'm not too sure, have I already got this? If you have, then that will filter all the duplicates out. We've got a help menu as well, so it's a nice little help built in. Not all apps have this, and sometimes you'll use an app and you'll be like, I don't understand how to use this. Well, it's got help built in. And on the info, when it loads, tick tick tick, my internet's a bit slow today, you've just got more information about what the app does. Okay, so when I go into the camera now, you'll see that the view will change. We will go from like this view looking at the software to this, and this shows me using it. It's because I can't record the screen of what I use basically to record the screen while the camera's working. But anyway, this lets you see it. That's my business card. That is my real business card for a web design company that I do. And if I just take this photo now, basically just align that up, you can see the little man's head and the writing. We just align all that up. There we go. The little man's head, by the way, you don't have to actually have a picture. It's just to show you that it's the right way. And if we click done in the top corner there, you can rotate the picture as well if you've taken it a different thing. There we go. We come back. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, we've got my name has been put in name. Now you can see there's been a little error there. We'll see the Q. So we can just tap in, and there you can slide along and see exactly what it's seeing. It's that little icon on the end there. It just thinks there's a Q. So we can just tweak that, but you can see that it's put that I'm a director. That's correct. That's exactly what I am. It's put the number in the exact correct place. I haven't told it that was a phone number. It just knew that that was a phone number. It's put the email address in there. It's also thought that was an I and not an L. Sometimes it works better than others. It seems to be getting the light better on it. Would have done better. Would have made it look better. The problem is I was trying to record it at the same time, so I wasn't getting the right angle. You can see there it's also got the correct address. You can see me just showing that there, Tollgate Drive. The next line is Stafford, then the postcode, and the country, United Kingdom. And we can also, there you go, you can look at it in a big contacts list, and you've got the little picture. You can change the picture as well. You don't have to have the business card as the picture. We can group the item as well, or we can put it up to the cloud, iCloud. If you want to use iCloud, you can use it. Dropbox, Google Contacts, it does the lot. This is a great app for any contact management. This is what really Apple should have in the phone, to be honest with you, but they don't. So we'll have to rely on great apps like this to show us what to do. Okay, so if I select the business card there, you can see that you can export it into iTunes, CSV files, business, people will know all that. You send it in emails, we can put it in a group that I've mentioned before, so let's just do that now. I'll put this in a group called Me. There we go. It's gone into a group called Me with Ticket. And so as you can see, you can't see me now because there's no Me group showing. So let's just click Me. There we go. So you can group things. So if you've got like work colleagues, friends, family, you can get all different groups and group the different people in different ways, which is quite nice. If I reselect it, you can see that I can also send by email or text message. If I want to say, oh, ring this guy, you can send it straight away. Really simple as well. Okay, so if we go back to the home screen here, we can look at some of the other features. This one is the QR code. So if you've seen these little funny symbols on things, this is my other business card. This is for the CloudByte, and on the back of the business card I have a QR code. You can see it right there. And what the QR code does for this one is it just shows the web address. So you can see, there you go, it's found the web address from that QR code. Feel free to test it if you've got an app that uses QR codes. Hold it up to the screen right now, pause this video, and you'll be able to use that QR code, and you'll see yourself that it'll come up with that address. It should do anyway, assuming your app's working correctly. But you can see that I can save it to the iPhone contacts. I can edit things. I could change the picture if I wanted to as well. And I can share it with like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, text message, email, you name it. You can send it to somebody else somehow. So that's a really nice little feature. So basically that's the WorldCard Mobile App. Photos just shows you a list of all the business cards that you've done. And Signature, which I haven't shown today, have a look at that. That will save the little signatures that somebody puts on the bottom of an email. So if they've put their address or their phone number or things, you can save that as well. It'll pull them automatically out of your email. So yeah, WorldCard Mobile, definitely check it out. If you're somebody that uses business cards, this is the app for you. It will replace having to hold them. It'll replace having to carry them around with you, and it will replace having to manually enter them into your iPhone. Definitely check it out. WorldCard Mobile in the App Store. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to check out Facebook, facebook.com/cloudbyte, Twitter, twitter.com/cloudbyte, and of course the blog. The blog that's got lots on cloudbyte.co.uk. Until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.